Hi guys, welcome to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. My name is Jyoti. We will see the current energies of your person today. So this is going to be a short reading. Let's see what do we have in store for you. This is going to be a timeless reading. So whenever you come across this video and if you feel like watching this video or you are drawn to this video, it means you definitely have a message here. Okay, so we will only see the current feelings of your person towards you. All right, so let's see. Guys, keep in mind that this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So this is not a pick a card, this is a general reading. So let's see, what is your person thinking about you right now. I'll just shuffle the cards first so that all the cards are realigned as per the message that I'm meant to receive for this reading. Okay, all the cards are getting realigned. Good, I'm happy. Please give me a message. Please give me a message. Please give me a message. Okay, I think I'm done. All right. So let's see. What is your person thinking about you right now? King of Pentacles in reverse. I think some of you, I feel this person is going through financial stress right now. Ten of Swords in reverse. Oh my God, this person feels that maybe you have left them. Okay, they don't want you to give up on this person. They want you to work on them, guys. Okay, this person wants you to work on them. We have the King of Pentacles in reverse, Ten of Swords in reverse. This person feels that, you know, in some cases I feel that you may have blocked this person, or maybe you have chosen your career over this person. Okay, maybe you were involved with a person who was in and out. Maybe they are sure but they were not investing enough, and that is why I think you have chosen your career over this person. Okay, some of you, I strongly feel that you have chosen your career over your partner, and you are like, you know, I don't want to invest enough on this person now. If they come, let them, otherwise let me focus on work. That is the kind of energy that you are in right now. Okay, so let's see, what are they thinking about you right now? Ten of Cups. Oh my God, this person cannot stop thinking about you. They want marriage. This person is very serious about you, and you know, they have realized their mistakes. You know, they feel that you have left them. I don't know, yeah, they feel a sense of loss. They are sad. They are not happy without you at all. They're mourning. You know, they're mourning that they're mourning because maybe they cannot meet you, or you both are not meeting each other. Maybe you both are not talking to each other, and this person is mourning over that. They're feeling that sense of loss. In some cases, I feel maybe you're dealing with somebody who is already married. They are already in a relationship, and that is why you felt, or you are in this energy where you feel, do I even have a scope with this person, or should I even be with this person? Should I even invest on this person? Okay, maybe this person is either married or in some other relationship. Okay, but whatever it is, this person is very serious for you. This person is very serious. Seven of Swords. See, I told you that this person wants you over the other person. If in case they are with a third party, they want you over the other person. So how are they feeling towards you? Let me see, how are they feeling towards you? Eight of Cups in reverse. You know, guys, this person fears losing you. They fear, what if you have left them? This person is right now going through this emotion where they feel What if they have already lost you? Because I think you are not giving them enough attention, or you are not talking to this person of lately, something like this, or the communication has stopped or something like this, and this person feels maybe you have left them, or you are moving on, or you have chosen somebody else. So these are their fear right now. They are fearing this, guys. Okay, so this person is fearing this, but the love is immense. I mean, you love them, they love you, but somehow for some of you I feel that you're choosing career over this person, because you feel that, if, because you have been in this energy where you cannot give anymore, or you cannot invest anymore, and you're tired. It's like, you have surrendered to the universe and you're moving on. Not that you are leaving this person, but you're trying to divert your mind by focusing on work, that kind of energy. Okay, so let's see, I will see if I have any. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for you from this deck. Let's see what are the messages for my view. Okay, I think I've got this. Pay attention to the red flag. The signs are cautioning you. See, I think that is why you are choosing career over this person. Maybe you may have got some signs, okay, which may have cautioned you. Signs like this person is not talking to you, or they just don't care about you. You may be getting some signs, okay, signs that this person has somebody else too in their life, something like this, because of which I think you may have left this person, or you are focusing on work, something like this. So this is the message. I think this card wants to pop out. Separation. I told you, some of you guys are actually going through this place where you are not talking to each other. Separation, you're going through this phase of separation. Okay, now I have got this card at the bottom of this deck. This card is trying to tell me, guys, I think whatever you are doing, just continue. Stop chasing this person. I feel this person loves you so much. I think this person is going to come towards you only when you stop chasing them. So just leave this person, move forward, focus on your career, make your career. This person is going to realize your value, and they are coming to you with an offer, because this person sees marriage with you, and we have engagement here. So whatever is happening for a reason. Okay, you don't know it now, you will know it later. So you go forward, move forward, do what you are doing, work, focus on your family, whatever. As far as I see, you're focusing on work, and that's good, because I see this person coming back to you with an offer. They cannot do without you, they cannot live without you. Okay, so let's see what are the love messages for you. We'll see if we have any love messages for you today. Okay, we'll see if we have any love messages. I think I'll pick this card. Any love messages for my viewers here? Your picture brings tears to me. Didn't I tell you this person is missing you? This person is missing you badly. We will be together again. See, they're coming. I told you this person is coming with a strong. For some of you, this person may come and tell you to get married or to get engaged. It's very difficult to stay without you talking to you. For me also, it's very difficult to stay without talking to you. For me also. Oh shit, I told you, na? I just told you that you guys are in separation. One more message, one last message for you guys. Have you moved on? Oh shit, didn't I just tell you this person fears losing you? This person fears losing you. They feel, what if you have moved on, because you both are not talking, or there is this distance that has come between both of you all of a sudden. So because of which this person feels that maybe you have moved on. Okay. So that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my reading. And if you like my reading, I would request you to please like this video. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel. And press the bell button so that whenever I upload a new video you get instant notification. Okay, so I'm going to come again with such readings very soon. I will upload such readings every day or almost every alternate days. Okay, so if you like this and if this resonates, do leave a comment below and let me know in the comment section. Okay, so that is it guys. Be safe, you guys take care. Bye.